What's up guys, Malvado Garage back here again with another video. Isaiah back in the cut, Ivan back in the cut. Today we got Isaiah's brother Junior in the cut, and today I ran into an issue. My battery on my truck isn't starting.
I came to rescue him with my jump box. We didn't get a clip of that because we didn't know if it was gonna work. My jump box is pretty shitty.
But
synchronized butt.
to show you guys, Ivan's gonna hop in my truck and we'll show you guys that my battery's dead. Like, try to turn it on.
Ooh,
On me. You just heard like a little electricity click, but I guess what we're gonna do now is get the tools, pop the hood, and just get straight into taking the battery out. So I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna record, I guess. Safety first. Number one priority.
Priorities.
So what we're doing here is basically Isaiah's just removing the two bolts that the battery has right here. One right here. One, as you move your hand, point at it. One right there. And I think we have to cut this felt part, Ivan said. He said there's a cut line right here.
Yeah.
But I see that there's another felt line right here in the middle. So I don't know, maybe. This man has bigger brains than anybody I know. So Isaiah, tell us how you did it. Tell us how you did it.
Might not be safe because it's positive and I'm grounded, but you shove the flathead right under the connection, just pry it up, boom.
Nice. All right, so we got the battery out.
No, not yet. It's the connection though. The fucking block that holds the battery in.
Ooh, yeah, you're right.
Look, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a bolt right there, the bolt right here that you guys are looking at. We're taking that off right now. And it was a 10, if you guys are doing this at home. Boom, out. Boom. All right, so we're on our way right now to AutoZone. It wasn't that far of a drive to AutoZone, but we made it. Ivan almost hit someone. Ooh, look at this. Ivan said that's just tight. So we're gonna go inside and just change battery. Just cop the battery. That shows a freaking leg and an arm. 192. But we also got some soda. Alright. We'll catch you guys when we get back to the house. Finally just got to the house. We're about to put the battery in. Back to the spot, just reversed. Our car part just got here. They almost hit me. All we need to do is the negative and positive. We have 3 crew members, right? There's me, there's Ivan, who you see. There's another guy. His name's Isaiah. I never see him on the camera. It's kind of weird. He's a little shy. He's camera shy, but
He's a little shy right now. He doesn't want to talk. He's a little mute or whatever.
Just so you know,
there he is.
Just so you know, Ivan didn't want to do the intro. Danny kept stuttering. Damn. It's hella bright when you got a good battery.
high key, guys, the whole time I've had this truck, this light, it was never that bright. That thing's shining brighter than my future with YouTube. Oh, battery's in, everything's in. Looks a little funky because I was used to seeing the felt on top of the battery, but kind of looks weird now, but whatever. All right, now let me turn on my truck and see if it turns on. For a quick second, I believe I'm like, what is that noise? What's a ticking? But battery worked, I guess, so we're good. We're golden. So I guess now we're probably just gonna go eat, right? Yeah, because I haven't ate since the afternoon. Ivan hasn't ate, Isaiah hasn't ate, so I guess what we're gonna do now is just clean up and head out. Yeah. Ivan doesn't like mobbing, doesn't like wasting money. Got the V8 but doesn't want the V8 lifestyle. You take trips to the gas station every 3 days. I'm happy. Guys, the day that, let me explain to you. Friday morning I had to go to work and I got in my truck. I thought it was gonna be a regular day and went to go start my truck, didn't turn on, kind of freaked out. I was like, kind of weird. Like my battery never did this. It turned on, but it struggled, and then I turned it back off because I was like, "There's no way like my battery's going out. Like why is it doing this?" I sat there for a minute in my truck just with it off, and then I turned it back on, and it struggled even worse that time. And so what I did was I called my dad and I was like, "Yo, like my truck's not wanting to turn on. Like what do I do?" And he just told me like follow my battery, and so I got it fixed. And yeah, all right. So let's get going to the food place. We're in Isaiah's truck. On copyright. We're in Isaiah's truck, and there's 3 seats, right? 3. But Isaiah has hella stuff in the back.
It's a work truck, okay, guys?
And
It's a work truck.
I guess you have to squish it. I've been sitting on my lap.
Hey, no homo.
We're about to get canes. We just got here. We're in line. A pretty long line. There's always a pretty long line here, actually. And I'll pick up the vlog when we get food. Later. We just got canes, and the lady who took our order was pretty whack.
Bad Christmas service.
Yeah. I was right here.
Where's your truck?
Oh, wait,
Yeah, we're gonna eat.